Pero ang lagi ko kasing opinyon kay Yusek, there are parang sa akin there is certainty that is against her on my opinion, eh. Mahirap kasi na sa press officer siya, tapos at the same time personal vlogging channel siya. And I think that on my mind, when she's talking in front of a podium and being a press officer, I feel like she's also a blogger. At ang hirap intindihin kung ano yung bias niya or personal bias niya versus her representing Malacanang or the president.
Po sa
Ayun, gusto ko lang din, bigyan ng reaksyon yun. Tingnan niyo po yung line of questioning ng mga reporters right now. Kine-question nila yung pabara-barang pagsasalita ng mga secretaries about dito. Isipin niyo po, if the secretaries are just stay on their lane, silang pina-promise, wala silang over-promising, wala silang sinasabi anything to do with this, walang magiging question na ganito, eh. And I believe na hindi ito magiging tanong sa taong bayan kung hindi nagpa-promise si John Vic. Honestly, ganda rin naman yung ginawa ni John Vic na nag-apologize siya. Pero ang mahirap kasi dito, when an information is being given to the public, tapos magkakaroon ng press conference or press briefing ang Malacanang, perception kasi ng tao that whatever is Attorney Claire is saying right now is what the president's opinion about the situation. The problem also is, nagsimula kasi sa secretary, which is Secretary Junvic, tapos nag-apologize siya. Alam po natin that the perception of people, lalo na may mga against sa Marcos or the administration, ang pinaka-fallback nila is to resort on blaming the president. Even the president don't know what's going on. Even the president don't have a control kay John Vic. Pero naratibo na ilalabas ng mga, sabihin na natin mga DDS or anti-Marcos, is to say na ito'y kasalanan na naman ng Pangulo. And this is what I will always say to the government. Stop over-promising. Less talk, less mistake. Kasi kahit dito kay Attorney Claire, whatever she says about this question, it will only reflect directly to the president. And I'm sorry, Attorney Claire, I think this is one of your press conference na to is to do damage control for the entire government and most especially kay President Bongbong Marcos. I think dapat ito press conference na to natapos na nung nagsalita siya nung ulat about kay Saldico and then hindi na siya nag-entertain ng question. Kasi sabi ko nga, the more she talks, the more it gives tons of perception and tons of questions to the public. Pruweba, wala ka namang ebidensya kita sa publiko, di ba? We don't need your voice. We don't need your opinion. You're nothing, 'di ba? Kung wala ka namang maibibigay na resulta sa tao. Good question, good question. Again, I apologize.
Ako, si Densable TV 2.0 at ito ang Pilkas kung saan ang katotohanan ay walang takot na sinasabi. Like, share, and subscribe na.